We're standing at the intersection of two seemingly disparate worlds, the vibrant cities of Europe and North America, where plant-based diets are on the rise, and the lush forests of the Amazon, once teeming with life. But what happens when our demand for high-protein, vegan foods collides with the devastating reality of industrial agriculture? It all begins in the fields. Over the past few decades, genetically modified soybeans have become a staple crop in countries like Brazil and Argentina. These modified beans are engineered to be more resilient, grow faster, and produce higher yields, making them an attractive choice for large-scale farming operations. But what's driving this trend? The answer lies in our appetites. With the global demand for plant-based protein skyrocketing, companies are scrambling to meet the growing need for high-protein vegan foods. From meat alternatives like Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods to nutrient-rich nut milks and energy bars, the market is flooded with options. The numbers tell a disturbing story. Between 2010 and 2020, production of genetically modified soybeans rose from just over 30 million metric tons to over 400 million metric tons annually. That's an increase of more than 1,200%. At the same time, deforestation in the Amazon rainforest has accelerated at an alarming rate. According to the National Institute for Space Research and the World Resources Institute, an estimated 17% of the Amazon has been lost since the 1970s. That's roughly the size of Chile or Argentina, a staggering amount of land, teeming with biodiversity being cleared every year. But it's not just about numbers. The impact on local communities is profound. Indigenous peoples who have lived in harmony with the Amazon for centuries are facing displacement and marginalization as their lands are converted into soybean plantations. In Brazil alone, over 1,200 indigenous communities have been affected by deforestation since 2015, according to the Brazilian Indian Foundation. The loss of traditional territories not only threatens cultural heritage, but also undermines the livelihoods of thousands of people. So what can we do? Can we reconcile our love for plant-based eating with the devastating consequences of industrial agriculture? One potential solution lies in regenerative agriculture. By adopting more sustainable farming practices like agroforestry and permaculture, farmers can sequester carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, protect biodiversity, and even promote soil health. Take the example of Brazil's Amazon Soy Initiative, which has helped reduce deforestation by over 70% in some regions through collaboration between farmers, NGOs, and government agencies. By working together, we can create a more sustainable food system that prioritizes people and the planet alongside profit. The shift towards regenerative agriculture will require significant investment and policy changes. But it's not just about the bottom line, it's about our collective future. As consumers, we have the power to demand change through our purchasing decisions. In the United States alone, over 70% of consumers say they're willing to pay more for sustainable food options. It's time to take action and make conscious choices that support a more equitable and environmentally friendly food system. As we move forward, it's essential to recognize the interconnections between our dietary choices and the health of the planet. By working together to transform industrial agriculture, we can create a world where high-protein vegan foods are not built on deforestation, but rather on sustainable practices that promote life and biodiversity. As we stand at the precipice of a new era in food production, it's clear that our choices have consequences. The insatiable demand for high-protein vegan foods has led us down a path of destruction, with genetically modified soybeans taking a devastating toll on the Amazon rainforest. We've lost sight of the delicate balance between human needs and environmental sustainability, and now we're paying the price. So what's at stake? Our planet's future, and the very fabric of our ecosystem. It's time for us to take a hard look in the mirror and ask ourselves, are we willing to sacrifice the beauty and wonder of nature for the sake of a trendy meal? The answer lies with you. Will you choose to support sustainable agriculture, or will you fuel the destruction that's ravaging our planet?